Okay, Catherine, thanks for coming for Divine Healing 2. What were your feelings about the training before you came?
Before I came, I was very excited because I knew Divine Healing 1 helped me have a tool for my emotions that I'm not good with, dealing with my emotions and getting them out of my head and into my body. So Divine Healing 2, even doubly as powerful, I felt, even more powerful. The charts went deeper. Everything was spot on. Everything was relevant. Um, if you're spiritual or a light worker, I mean, you probably already are, and you'll enjoy this. Nicolas's tutelage, he can explain anything, he can reference anything, he can answer any questions, so you're in good hands. You had Amanda and Jen and great team. Everything resonated with me, with what everyone said. It was like therapy for me. You feel wasted at the end, but you know something's happening, things are moving, things are shifting. So I recommend it. I was excited going in and it didn't disappoint, that's for sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Catherine. Christine, what do you take away from Divine Healing 2?
um, how powerful it really is. I was excited to come as well to Divine Healing too. And it's just shown me it's the depth and length of what's here and how it can change lives and make a real difference to people. So I highly recommend it. And Nicolas, you're a very good teacher, and very good at leading people as well, and just allowing things to happen. And so I'm feeling very comfortable with your teaching. And I will definitely be going on to the level 3 because it's just given me such a depth of knowledge and a wanting to know more. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Misha, how are you? You came at the last minute. How's level 2 been for you? What are you taking away?
Level two is pretty intense for me. I was super excited to start. I actually enjoyed it. It was an eye opener, and like you said, like we're always going to be healing. And I didn't know like the stuff that came up this time. I thought I actually healed, but it actually brought it up in this session. And I appreciate everybody who held space for me. Very supportive. Um, yeah, I recommend it.
Yeah, thank you.
Mhm.
Ayumi, how were you before you came to the training? What were you feeling?
Yes, so after I just love divine healing, and after level 1 I couldn't wait to come to level 2. So I enjoyed it very, very much. I love this center of conscious ascension. Everyone is so supportive of each other, and this community is very safe, and the divine healing level 2 is um, very powerful, and you can clear things a lot quicker than level 1. So if you finished level 1 and if you feel drawn to level 2, this is me speaking from my heart. Please join this level 2 training. It helped me so much to release the some of the core issues that I carried my entire life. And it's a major shift in my life. And once again, everybody in this community is very supportive of each other. The space that's being held in the training is very safe. And yeah, so thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Very helpful.